Azure Functions is Microsoft's serverless computing platform that allows you to build and deploy event-driven applications without worrying about managing infrastructure. With Azure Functions, you can focus entirely on writing code, while Azure handles all the server management, scaling, and maintenance automatically. This makes it an ideal solution for modern cloud applications where you want to deploy code quickly without the overhead of traditional server infrastructure. Serverless computing doesn't mean there are no servers, it simply means you don't have to manage them. First, there's no server management required. You can focus purely on your code without worrying about provisioning or maintaining infrastructure. Second, it features automatic scaling. Your application automatically scales up or down based on demand and workload, ensuring optimal performance. Third, you only pay per execution. You're charged only for the actual compute time used during function execution, making it very cost-effective. Finally, it's event-driven. Your functions execute in response to specific triggers and events, rather than running continuously. Azure Functions comes packed with powerful features. It supports multiple programming languages including C#, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, and PowerShell, giving you flexibility in choosing your preferred language. It offers flexible triggers, meaning your functions can be invoked by HTTP requests, timers, queues, blobs, and event streams. There are integrated bindings that let you connect to Azure services without writing complex connection code, simplifying your development process significantly. Plus, it has excellent development tool support with seamless integration into Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, and the Azure portal, making development and debugging straightforward. Azure Functions offers 3 hosting plans to suit different needs. The consumption plan is the true serverless option where you pay only per execution. It provides automatic scaling, but has a 5-minute timeout limit, making it perfect for short-running tasks. The premium plan offers pre-warmed instances to eliminate cold starts, includes virtual network connectivity for enhanced security, and allows unlimited execution duration. It's ideal for functions that need consistent performance. The dedicated plan runs on an app service plan, providing predictable costs and full control over your compute resources. This is useful when you want to leverage existing underutilized app service capacity. Let's look at a simple HTTP trigger example in Python. This function is decorated with the app.root decorator, which specifies that it responds to the hello root. The function receives an HTTP request object as its parameter. It extracts the name parameter from the query string. If a name is provided, the function returns an HTTP response with a personalized greeting message. This demonstrates how easy it is to create a REST API endpoint using Azure Functions. The entire function is just a few lines of code, yet it's fully scalable and production-ready. Azure Functions supports various trigger types to handle different scenarios. HTTP triggers let you execute functions via REST API endpoints, making them perfect for building web APIs. Timer triggers allow you to run functions on scheduled intervals using cron expressions. Blob triggers respond to changes in Azure Storage blobs, useful for processing uploaded files. Queue triggers process messages from Azure Storage queues, enabling asynchronous task processing. Event grid triggers react to events from Azure services, providing event-driven architecture capabilities. Event hub triggers handle high-volume event streams, ideal for real-time data processing scenarios. Each trigger type is designed for specific use cases, giving you the right tool for every job. Here's an example of a timer trigger in C#. The function is named daily report and is decorated with the function name attribute. The timer trigger attribute specifies a cron expression, 009****, which means this function runs every day at 9 a.m. The function receives a timer info object and a logger. It logs the current execution time and can perform tasks like generating and sending a daily report. Timer triggers are excellent for scheduled maintenance tasks, data cleanup, report generation, or any recurring operations that need to happen automatically. Bindings are a powerful feature that simplifies integration with external services. Input bindings allow you to read data from external sources without writing connection code. You simply declare what data you need, and Azure Functions provides it to your function. Output bindings let you write data to external services declaratively without managing connections or SDKs. Azure Functions supports bindings for many services including Cosmos DB, Azure Storage, Service Bus, Event Hubs, and more. You can configure these bindings in the function.json file or using attributes and decorators in your code. This declarative approach dramatically reduces boilerplate code and makes your functions cleaner and more maintainable. Azure Functions excels in several common scenarios. You can use it as an API backend to build scalable REST APIs and microservices that automatically scale with demand. It's perfect for data processing, allowing you to transform and process data from multiple sources in real time or batch mode. Scheduled jobs are another common use case, where you can run automated tasks and background processes on a regular schedule. Finally, event processing is a natural fit, where functions react to events from Azure services, webhooks, or other external systems. These use cases demonstrate the versatility of Azure Functions across different application architectures. Azure Functions delivers significant benefits for modern application development. It provides faster time to market with minimal infrastructure setup, letting you deploy applications in minutes rather than days. It's cost-effective with a consumption-based pricing model where you only pay for what you use. Automatic scaling handles variable workloads seamlessly, ensuring your application performs well whether you have 10 users or 10,000. There's reduced operational overhead and maintenance burden since Azure manages all the infrastructure. Finally, you get global reach with Azure's worldwide infrastructure, allowing you to deploy your functions close to your users for optimal performance. These benefits make Azure Functions an excellent choice for building modern, cloud-native applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.